Welcome to the release for September 2023 from Hero Arts. Hi, I'm Mindy, and I'll be walking you through the products being released this month and sharing inspiration. Hello Fungi is a 4x6 clear stamp set that offers a whimsical and versatile way to add charming mushroom and fungus-themed designs to your crafts. Purchase the stamp set individually or in a bundle for the coordinating dies. There are 3 images that you can color with your favorite coloring medium and 4 sentiments with a playful twist on words. The sentiments include, Hope your days pure magic, Hello Fungi, Thanks so much, Sending you much love. Happy Gnomes is a clear 4x6 stamp set with these darling garden gnome images. This set includes 11 images that can mix and match to create your garden and 3 coordinating sentiments. Sentiments include Happy Birthday, there's no one like you, Sending a little happiness. Tree Stump Fancy Die is a great set you can use to build up your outdoor scenes. It comes with the tree stump, mushrooms, and grass to embellish. The tree stump itself measures about 3 by 2 inches. You can bend the pieces apart or trim down with your Hero Arts metal snippers. Die cut from white cardstock and add color with inks and sprays, or get a head start on the coloring and die cut from colored cardstock. Fall Gnome Fancy Die is a 9-piece die set that includes a gnome, a pipe, basket, leaves, a mushroom, flower, and pumpkin. Die cut from colored cardstock as shown on the left side, or die cut from white cardstock on the right, and color with alcohol markers for an artistic no-line coloring look. You can mix and match the pieces to fit your scene, whether the gnome is holding his pipe, lantern, or basket. The Acanthus Bold Print is a 6x6 deeply etched red rubber cling background stamp. It features a detailed and intricate design of acanthus leaves, perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your projects. This background is perfect for subtle texture or use as the star of the show. Remove the backing on the stamp to use with a stamp positioner, a glass work surface, or handheld stamping. The Ginkgo Leaves Bold Print is a 6x6 red rubber cling stamp that features a bold and intricate design of ginkgo leaves. Heat emboss for eye-catching shine or stamp tone-on-tone for a more subtle look. Create beautiful swirls of leaves on your crafting projects with the Leaves and Swirls 6x6 stencil. Grab your favorite Hero Hues inks and apply with blending brushes, or use your hero pastes and palette knife. Wash your stencil with warm soapy water to remove any leftover paste. The Pumpkin and Leaves Hero Transfers are a fast and easy way to add beautiful autumn-themed designs to your paper crafting projects. This set includes 2 6x8 rub-on transfer sheets featuring multiple designs per sheet. Simply use your scissors to trim out the design, then remove the top sheet that has the image, place onto your project. In this case, I'm using a light gray cardstock. Then use the included stick and apply pressure over the image. Simply peel up the remaining acetate sheet to reveal your design. They can be used on smooth surfaces like paper, tile, acetate, and wood. And that is a closer look at the September 2023 release from Hero Arts. Thank you for spending time with us today.